How to fix Apex Legends integrity error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. Repair the integrity of the files. In the Steam client app, go to Library, click on Apex Legends, click on this gear icon, select Properties, click on Installed Files here, click on Verify integrity of the game files. Let it complete up to 100%. On the EA client app, go to Library, then click on Apex Legends, select Manage, then click on Repair. Allow the repair to complete. The next step is clear game and game launcher cache. On Steam, click on Steam, select Settings, go to Downloads and click on Clear Cache. Click on Confirm. After the cache is clear, the client application will reopen. On EA, click on 3 lines, put your mouse pointer on Help, select App Recovery, click on Clear Cache. The application will restart. Now try to play the Apex Legends game. On Epic Game Launcher, close the launcher. Also close the launcher from here. See on Task Manager if Epic is running. Not running. Then go to App Data folder. Click on File Explorer. Go to C drive, Users, open the username folder, open the App Data folder, go to Roaming, open the Epic Games Launcher folder. You may find multiple files here. You have to delete webcache underscore 4147, webcache underscore 4430. Select these files and click on delete. The cache of Epic Games Launcher is cleared. Now check if the Apex Legends integrity error is fixed. Last but not the least, check server outage of Apex Legends. Open a browser, type Apex Legends, server status, click on this link, server status, all systems are operational. If it is showing outage, then wait for some time until the server is up and running. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.